Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do the last Kraken quest using an easy method. First, you'll want to prepare your ship thoroughly. Stock up on at least 100 cannonballs, plenty of wood planks for repairs, and a good supply of food. A well-stocked ship is your best defense against the Kraken's powerful attacks. Remember, quick repairs are key to staying afloat, so keep those planks handy and your crew ready to patch holes. When the Kraken attacks, the water around your ship will turn black, and its massive tentacles will emerge to grab you. Don't panic. Immediately assign your crew roles, one or two on cannons, one on repairs, and one on bailing water. The most effective strategy is to focus all your cannon fire on a single tentacle until it submerges. There are usually 8 tentacles to defeat, so teamwork is vital for success. During the fight, prioritize the tentacles that are actively damaging your ship or grabbing crew members. If a tentacle grabs a player, they can be freed by shooting it or using a blunderbomb. Blunderbombs are also great for stunning tentacles that are holding your ship. Remember to constantly repair any damage and bail out water. Staying afloat is your primary goal, so don't let your guard down for even a second. Keep up the relentless assault, focusing on one tentacle at a time until all 8 have been defeated. Once the last tentacle submerges, the Kraken will be vanquished, leaving behind a generous amount of valuable loot floating on the water. Make sure to collect all the treasure quickly before it sinks to the bottom. Congratulations! You've successfully defeated the Kraken using an easy and effective method. Enjoy your well-earned rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.